Have you heard that ChatGPT got new competition? Yes, that's true. It's Bard by Google. Google just made its phenomenal AI chatbot Bard available in over 180 countries. The tech giant has also added a plethora of features to enhance the user experience. Here are the 10 incredible things Bard can do. 1. Internet connection. People using the free version of ChatGPT don't have access to the internet, except for paid users. With Bard, it's free. For example, you can ask Bard, "Give me the top 10 highest performing cryptocurrencies now," and give suggestions if I should invest with $10, and you will get the right answer. 2. SEO specialist assistance. Bard can even function as an SEO specialist for your website. You can ask Bard to analyze your website and give you tips to enhance its SEO. 3. Understanding code bases. Bard is equipped with understanding code like ChatGPT. 4. Image inputs. Unlike ChatGPT, Bard can process images as inputs. 5. Image results. Bard can provide image results to complement its responses. 6. Export functionality. You have the option to export your results in document format or send them directly via Gmail. 7. Voice prompts. While ChatGPT lacks support for voice prompts, Bard offers users the ability to use voice commands as prompts. This feature allows for hands-free interaction and multitasking convenience. 8. Export functionality. Bard allows users to export results to Gmail and Google Docs directly. 9. Gmail integration. Google Bard seamlessly integrates with Gmail, a widely used email service. This integration revolutionizes email interactions, allowing users to draft proposals, send invites, and perform other tasks directly within Gmail. 10. Plugin integration. Similar to ChatGPT, Bard comes with plugins that offer instant access to various platforms. Walmart, for retail. Indeed, for job hunting. Uber Eats for meal delivery. Adobe Firefly for image creation. And there you have it, the top 10 features that make Google's Bard a formidable competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Which chatbot do you find more intriguing? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.